This is Code.org. Let's see what we have here. Experiment with this program by making the following modifications. Then run the program and observe the results. To do, go to the Documentation tab, and find the documentation for Painter class. Look up Move and Turn Left method. Documentation. Painter class. Boom. And look up Move. Boom. And so now this is going to give us detail. Guys, documentation is referenced in programming all the time. When you go get a really fancy job for Google and you are coding away a new app to change the world to give your teachers free cars, electric ones, please, thank you. You're going to look at documentation. Even if you're certain of what you're doing, you need to reference different aspects of programming languages, and no one remembers it all by heart. That's not normal. So move. Moves the painter object one space forward in the direction it is facing. Now they're asking turn left, turns a painter object to the left. Alright, so these make sense. Is there a method for turn right? Doesn't look like it. I'm going to do a Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac, just to double check. Nope, there is not. Not yet, at least. Alright, let's see what we're doing. So I think move moves forward and turn right turn left turns left. There isn't a method for turn right, but notice that this, if we turn left 3 times, we do turn right. Is there anything to code here? Cool. Guess not. Onward.